Now the topic is velocity transducers. Similar to temperature and similar to temperature measurement, acceleration, like that, they can also measure the velocity. The most commonly used velocity transducer are electromagnetic principle. The velocity transducer that uses a electromagnetic principle. In this transducer, the change in current in the coil and change in the magnetic circuit causes the induce the EMF or voltage. The moving coil or moving magnet is connected to whose velocity to be measured. Okay. E naught equal to d phi by dt equal to n divided by r di by dt minus ni divided by r square dr by dt, where E naught is output voltage, phi is a flux changes, n is the number of turns in the coil, r is the reluctance, I is a current. What is called a reluctance? In a circuit, the current I is flowing, here r is a resistance. Similarly, in a magnetic circuit, capital R is a reluctance, that is a magnetic resistance is called a reluctance. Okay. If I is a constant in equation, this will become di by dt becomes 0. Okay. The rate of change of current, because I is a constant differentiation is 0. Therefore, E naught equal to di by r square dr by dt. Almost number of turns current, the reluctance is almost constant. Remaining thing is dr by dt. Therefore, output voltage is directly proportional to the dr by dt. That is the rate of change of reluctance with respect to time. The output voltage is directly proportional to the rate of change of reluctance with respect to time. That is dr by dt. That I is a constant and r is far greater than the variation in r. Equation 1 becomes equation 2 like this one. That is the output voltage is directly proportional to the flux change. The flux changes is proportional to reluctance. The reluctance variation proportional to changes of air gap. Air gap is I will show it in the diagram. Therefore, the output voltage is directly proportional to the velocity. This is the air gap between this one is a magnet, this one is the coil. There are two types. One is a moving magnet type, another one is moving coil type. We can first consider the moving magnet type. As the name itself we can understand easily. Moving magnet type means the magnet is moving. Moving coil type means coil is moving. It's very simple. Here the coil is a permanent. Here inside we are having a moving coil. This will be connected to which one the velocity is to be measured. This one is connected to the velocity to be measured. The construction of moving magnet type velocity transducer is shown in figure. It consisting of a permanent magnet. Here this one is a permanent magnet with a rod which is connected to rigidly with the whose velocity to be measured. The permanent magnet is precisely arranged to move within the coil. Precisely arranged to move within the coil. The coil is surrounding over the permanent magnet. The coil will be surrounded over the permanent magnet. The motion of the permanent magnet induces a voltage which is proportional to the velocity. This is connected to whose velocity to be measured. It will be vibrated. So therefore, the changes in flux, the changes in the flux, the changes in reluctance, that it causes the induced EMF in the coil which is surrounded with the permanent magnet. That induced EMF is directly proportional to the vibration or the velocity. Motion of a permanent magnet induces a voltage which is proportional to the velocity. The polarity of the output voltage determines the direction of motion. The polarity determines the direction of motion, either this side or this side. Advantages: almost maintenance free. Output voltage is linearly proportional to the voltage. It is robust. Robust means rigid and cost effective. Disadvantage: its performance is severely affected by stray magnetic field. If any other magnetic field is like here, that it affects your performance or output. Frequency response is usually limited. Frequency response is limited. Then next one is a moving coil type velocity measurement. Okay. In the previous case, moving magnet is, coil is permanent, magnet is moving. Here magnet is permanent, this one is the coil is moving. coil is vibrating or moving. Here the coil is, this is a magnet, north pole and south pole. Due to the vibration it will get vibrate. Okay, coil get vibrate. That is that will be connected to the output. The induced E0 is directly proportional to the vibration. In this transducer, the permanent magnet is fixed. This one fixed. Its a construction is shown in figure. The coil is moving or oscillating within the magnetic field. Coil is moving or vibrating within the between the permanent magnet. Therefore, the induced voltage of the coil is directly proportional to the velocity. Comparing a moving magnet type with the moving coil type, the transducer, simply the coil and permanent magnet are interchanged. Here magnet is moving, coil is permanent. Just interchange. Here coil is moving, magnet is permanent. Okay. Interchange in its position or arrangement. Advantage: it is more satisfactory arrangement in a closed magnetic circuit. Entire transducer is sealed in a case. It reduces the stray magnetic field effect.